Hi, I'm Ketna and from Dennis Eagle, and I'm currently at the Merthyr Service Centre, and I'm joined by Nia Johnson, Assistant Service Manager. How are you?
I'm good, yeah.
Good. Just wanted to kind of understand a little bit about who you are, what your role is at Merthyr.
So at the moment, I basically run the day-to-day business of the Merthyr Centre with the assistance of the admin team and the field service and workshop. I haven't always been in this role. I did start as a 2-week temp.
Okay.
And never left.
I think there's a theme here, I Dennis Eagle.
So started as a temp and then progressed then to administrator, then field service controller. At that point then, there wasn't a role for an assistant manager, but I was helping in the background with all the reporting and things. And then, I was promoted to assistant manager.
Oh, and how's it all going? I mean, you've been here such a long time, I'm sure you've seen your role evolve. And
Yes, I have. Learning every day from it. Especially with the support with Dan, because he's been in that role far longer than I have.
Yeah.
But he's really supportive of it, and the support I get from the other centres as well has been really good.
What kind of changes have you seen in terms of the aftermarket side of
Quite a
business?
few. Previously it was like the Euro 6 when that was first launched. Now we've launched the E-Collect as well, and we've got the next generation evolving as well, which could be interesting to see that come through.
What do you enjoy most about your role?
The thank you or the gratification from the customer saying for the team and the field engineers have done, where they've gone that one step further for them just to get the vehicle back on the road, or the guys have managed to juggle some work around to get there sooner than originally anticipated.
Do you have quite a busy day, or how much is involved in your role?
There is quite a lot involved. I'm still quite involved with the field service side of things, with especially now we've merged with Turberg, so
also there's a little bit of history here as well.
There is, yes. So my dad worked here for 23 years.
Wow.
Yeah, originally he was on field service engineer, and then he moved into the workshop controller. So I've always been around vehicles and heavy goods.
I was going to say, that was your connection
that
to
was
getting... Okay,
Yeah.
and he got to work on some fantastic projects while he was here.
He did, yes. He got work on the Blue Beast, or the Delta.
Yes.
And the Mark one as well. That was his last project with us.
Oh, wow.
Which we enjoyed.
I've seen in the yard.
We have.
The two vehicles sitting
we do
there.
have them here.
So shall we go and just have a little look around?
Great.
Yeah. Okay. So Nia, we're here, we've got the trucks, the Blue Beast or the Delta and the Mark 1. Really lovely to see them both side by side. So, how long did it take your dad to complete this project?
So the Delta, that was a good 2-year project for us here in Merthyr. He did initially go into Manchester to have some major structural work done. Then it came down to us then to have the cosmetic side of it done and presented for MOT. But about 2 years he got done for that one.
Yeah.
But he was in contact with a lot of old suppliers and all that to see if they had the items available just to replace the old type compressor.
Wow.
His knowledge came in handy for that.
Well, this is from 1989, isn't it?
It was,
so
yes.
Trying to find those parts can't have been easy.
No.
Okay.
We did have find one supplier up in the Forest of Dean that was really, really helpful. And they actually had an old one in the yard, which we managed to salvage.
Yay! That sounds like, that's really good. And the Mark 1, this is the most recent one, wasn't
That was his last project with us, yes. So that one, he actually went up to Jersey to go through it.
Right.
And go, yes, Sir Jeff.
Okay.
It is worth the investment in it.
Oh.
And then he worked on it right through until it was made roadworthy.
2001, isn't this? So it's a more recent.
That's a more recent one.
Compared to.
Yes, that's the first of the elites.
Right, but it must be nice to have that little memory of him.
It is, yes. He done quite. That was his.
Yeah.
big project for that then.
Yeah.
He did see it from start to finish because he took it through the IVA then to actually get it actually tested and ready for Jeff to take to the cart mart.
Oh, so cart marking is a very old tradition that takes place every year at the City of London.
Yeah.
So I know the blue truck is, it's a regular there, isn't it?
It's an annual trip out.
It gets branded on a little wooden plaque, and it's really nice to see it like commemorated as well.
Yeah.
And,
so that's what he's currently in the workshop for at the moment, going through his MOT preparation, ready for July. Oh,
well, it's lovely to see both the vehicles.
It is.
This is the thing that you've been in this role for 17 years.
Yes.
The waste industry is very heavily sort of male dominated.
Yes.
How have you found your journey throughout that time?
It was challenging at first. There were times where it wasn't accepted that I was in the role as fuel service. However, with the support of Dennis through the training scheme they had going, the support of the fuel service engineer, my dad, they helped me develop my technical knowledge, so I was able to give that a bit more assurance to the customers that yes, actually we are able to help you. Yeah, there are more female members of the staff now in the unit.
Yeah, that must be nice to see.
Yeah, because up until 4-5 years ago, I was the only one here for some time.
Do you see there's a change emerging within the industry as well?
Yes, yeah. I've noticed through the apprentices there's been more female apprentices going forward and developing through Dennis Eagle, and there's more senior roles which are being given or promoted to the women in the industry as well.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Yeah, no, it is. And would you say it's a worthwhile sort of
definitely
route to go down?
It can be hard work. There are ups and down days.
Yes.
But the end goal of it, is well worth it.
Oh, Nia, thank you so much for your time. And it's been absolutely a pleasure to chat to you today.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.